Hi everyone, and welcome to High Flyer. Today, we're going to be talking about the key of finance. Finance is a complex topic, but it's important to understand the basics if you want to make sound financial decisions. In this video, we'll cover some of the key concepts and principles of finance, including valuation, risk, return, time value of money, liquidity, diversification, and portfolio management. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the key of finance and how it can help you make sound financial decisions. Valuation. Valuation is the process of determining the worth of an asset or liability. This is an important concept in finance because it allows us to compare different assets and make decisions about which ones to invest in. There are a number of different valuation methods, but the most common ones are based on the discounted cash flow (DCF) model. The DCF model calculates the present value of an asset's future cash flows. Risk. Risk is the possibility of loss or uncertainty. Every investment carries some degree of risk, and it's important to understand the risks involved before you make an investment. There are a number of different types of risk, including market risk, credit risk, and liquidity risk. Market risk is the risk that the value of an asset will go down due to changes in the market. Credit risk is the risk that a borrower will default on a loan. Liquidity risk is the risk that you won't be able to sell an asset quickly and easily. Return. Return is the amount of money that is earned on an investment. The return on an investment is calculated as the difference between the initial investment and the final value of the investment, plus any dividends or interest payments that were received. There are a number of different types of return, including the annualized return, the compound return, and the risk-adjusted return. The annualized return is the average return over a specified period of time. The compound return is the return that is earned on an investment after taking into account the effects of compounding. The risk-adjusted return is the return that is earned on an investment after taking into account the level of risk involved. Time value of money. The time value of money is the concept that money today is worth more than money in the future. This is because money today can be invested and earn a return. The time value of money can be calculated using a number of different formulas, but the most common one is the present value formula. The present value formula calculates the value of an asset today based on its future cash flows. Liquidity. Liquidity is the ability to convert an asset into cash quickly and easily. Liquid assets are assets that can be easily sold without affecting the price. There are a number of different types of liquid assets, including cash, stocks, and bonds. Illiquid assets are assets that cannot be easily sold without affecting the price. Diversification. Diversification is the practice of spreading risk by investing in a variety of assets. This helps to reduce the risk that you will lose all of your money if one of your investments goes down in value. There are a number of different ways to diversify your portfolio, but the most common way is to invest in a variety of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Portfolio management. Portfolio management is the process of selecting and managing a collection of assets. This includes deciding what assets to invest in, how much to invest in each asset, and when to sell or buy assets. Portfolio management is an important part of finance because it helps to ensure that your investments are aligned with your financial goals. In this video, we've covered some of the key concepts and principles of finance. By understanding these concepts, you can make sound financial decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals. If you want to learn more about finance, there are a number of resources available to you. You can take courses, read books, or talk to a financial advisor. The more you know about finance, the better equipped you will be to make sound financial decisions. I hope you enjoyed this video about the key of finance. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.